guess you're in
Welcome back to the vlog, people. Hello, people. We are on the way to Florida. Logan! I'm so excited. He has no idea.
Literally no clue, and I don't know how because we're not the bestest at keeping surprises a secret.
We've turned all our locations off. We didn't tell anybody except like our mom.
Yeah, literally. And Samantha knows, yeah. And that's it. And she's with Logan. And the only reason she knows is so she can check our locations. But yeah, we're about to make a 6-hour drive for this guy, so.
In the pouring rain, so
yes,
you're welcome, Logan.
Literally, look at the rain.
Yep, we're getting our McDonald's.
Food.
And then
there's some cookie cake in the back.
Yep. Alright, stay tuned. It's gonna be a long, fun trip. Alright, everybody. We just got through Atlanta traffic.
It took forever. Literally forever.
Thumbs down. But we're on the way. I'm driving kind of fast, but not too fast.
We have 20 miles left on this road. 4 hours and 11 minutes left. So long, but we're gonna get there. We'll probably get there at like 8 o'clock, but it's okay.
Then we're gonna surprise Logan.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait.
We are in Alabama,
and it's still raining.
Still
literally didn't stop.
It's very scary, actually. So
we keep getting shot with water somehow.
If I post this, you know that we survived.
Yeah, for real.
Alright guys, we're almost to Panama. Me and Jordan switched driving. But I have a question for you guys. You might think I'm retarded, but that's fine. Jordan thinks I'm retarded. Who thinks that birds are like not really birds? Like,
she thinks birds are fake and they're planted by the government in the sky.
That's a perfect way to like watch people, I guess. Like,
oh my god.
Okay, right now, for example, there are no birds in the sky.
It was raining.
Because they're hiding somewhere because they can't come out because there's like a plug in them or something from the government. You guys might think I'm retarded.
Reply below.
Please leave in a comment if you think that the birds are from the government. We are in the middle of nowhere, Alabama.
Like literally, look. Literally, there's like nothing out here.
Literally
nowhere. We needed gas so we can get there because we almost died and ran out of gas.
That's fine. We're fine. Almost there, like an hour and a half or 2 hours maybe.
2 hours, yeah. Then we'll be on the beach.
Woo!
We're gonna have so much fun. We're at a sketchy gas station. It's really scary.
Okay guys, we're here in Panama City. We're waiting on Logan on his balcony to surprise him.
They went to Walmart to get ice.
Yep, him and Samantha are about to just walk in the door and we're gonna be like, surprise! This is the biggest surprise that Jordan and I have ever
pulled off. Like literally, I don't know how this stayed a secret. We've been planning this for like what, a month?
Yeah.
Literally so long.
All right, stay tuned for the surprise.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
All right, good morning, everybody. It is our only day, but day one at Panama. We surprised Logan last night, which is in the video for this one. And the weather sucks, but it's fine.
It's like kind of sunny. It's literally half and half. It's like slid down the ocean like rainy sunny.
Yeah, so I think we're just gonna chill. Probably go get in the ocean because we're stupid, but
You're gonna get eaten by a shark.
yeah.
Alright.
Bye!
On the edge of life.
Hello, welcome back to the vlog. We just went to Pineapple Lily's. We went to the beach. all day today. Everyone's burnt, but not me because
I ain't burnt.
Where am I burnt?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I'm not burnt.
We just went ate. Now we're going shopping, and then Jordan and I are making the very long trip back to Georgia at 1 a.m. because I have to work at 9.
And you better not fall asleep.
No promises. Alright, vlog number 75. We're in Alvin's Island. I'm buying this cowgirl hat.
And I'm buying this.
But it doesn't mean anything.
Oh my god. You can't say that. Alright, well, we had a fun time at the beach for one day.
We sure did.
And we are on the way home now.
It's 1:14 in the morning.
We have 2 more hours. Wish us luck. Alright guys, I just got home. It is 4:37 a.m. So I'm definitely going to sleep. I have to be at work at 8:30 in the morning, so wish me luck. I hope you guys like this video, and I'm so glad we got to surprise Logan. Okay, good night and goodbye. And we out.
Also, here's